YouTube, how are we doing today? I'm back with another video. This one's solving kind of yet another problem that I'm having. When it rains it pours, I swear. You know, I just got a battery for my 12 volt trolling motor, and as I'm up at our camper, I'm hearing this beeping sound, and I can't figure out what it is. I find out that it's a carbon monoxide detector, so I'm trying to replace a battery in there. Long story short, I'll spare you all the details. I tracked down that my main 12 volt battery for the camper itself is running low and it can't hold a charge anymore. Basically, it was like less than a day that I had been not having any power, you know, no shore power plugged in, not using a generator or anything else, and the battery just can't keep up, and all it's running is the fridge and a couple 12 volt lights. So time for a new one. So fast forward to today. I thought I just opened up the top here, put the posts on this, and I thought I'd kind of show you guys what I got here. So obviously there's a piece of foam on the top, but I'm sure you can imagine, you get a lot of emails and see a lot of advertisements, but I'd seen this one from a company called Unowix, and they had a promotion on one of their 12 volt 100 amp hour batteries. So I thought, well, take a look at them. So I took a look at their website and their Amazon page, and they've got some pretty good offerings. So this is their battery here. Now all I did was took off the plastic post, and in here you have your two terminals for your positive and negative. So first thing, if I had a lead acid battery this size, I wouldn't be doing that with one hand, let me tell you. These lithium iron phosphate batteries, if you're not familiar with them, they are significantly lighter. And I mean significantly lighter than a lead acid. So why did I want to not replace it with a lead acid? Well, first of all, primarily, you've got deep cycle here. These are made, once they're fully charged, they can almost go through a full discharge cycle. I don't like doing that. I wouldn't want to bring it down to zero, but a traditional battery, lead acid battery, if you're bringing them down to 10% or less, you're going to damage that battery and it's never going to have that capacity back. Whereas the lithium iron phosphates, not a problem with them. They're made for that deep cycling. They don't mind that. And there's a lot of energy storage here. So I haven't done anything to this. Let's just see what type of battery voltage we're getting. Let's see if you guys can see this. This is just straight from the box. 13.67. So that's a fully charged battery. Absolutely. So this is like, it's a no frills. This is just ready to go. You know, in this particular situation, I didn't feel like I needed monitoring or anything like that. I don't do as much dry camping, like completely off grid without a generator. If you've seen my other videos, you know I've got generator, and then I've also we plug into shore power often. So you know, typically it might be just 2 or 3 days, maybe during when we're traveling, or if we go to a place that's truly off grid, and we're just using this for just the necessities. So making sure that the fridge igniter can start up and run on propane, we're running 12 volt lights, just the basics. This is going to last days without a problem. Also, what I really like is that if I ever need to take it out, or when I take it out, because we don't do any winter camping, so when I take this out for the winter to you know, maintain it and keep an eye on it over the winter, look at this. It's one hand. This is also why I like these for the marine applications. So my little 12 volt trolling motor, I can take this out of that little, what is it, like a little 8-foot boat, a little 8-foot fiberglass boat. I can take this out myself, no problem. I'm not messing around with that heavy weight, and that really makes a difference. Whether you're by yourself or with somebody, not having that extra weight in there it's a big deal. So I can take this out of the boat, no problem, one-handed, 100 amp hours. You're not doing that with lead acid, at least not without grunting a bit. Plus, I get that good capacity, and I can deep cycle it and really bring it right down to, you know, a super low charge rate, recharge it back up to full. It's not having any charge memory. This is just great. So let me give you guys a full review once I have a chance to use this. I'll just report back in the comments. I'm going to get this installed in the camper hopefully in a couple days here when I get back to it, I'll get it in there and I will let you know if I have any issues. But I mean, these things are, they're really built well. You pay a little bit more for them, but boy, for a marine or an off-grid application, you can't go wrong with these lithium iron phosphates. So I will put a link in the description below where I bought this. It is an affiliate link, so if you purchase something through that affiliate link, it does help support the channel. It allows me to do some more sort of unboxing and discussion videos like this. And if you've seen my other videos, you know I try to answer back in the comments. If I can help out with anything, I certainly will. But I've had a very pleasant and positive buying experience with Unowix so far. So hope you guys found this helpful. If you got any questions, leave in the comments below. Otherwise, we will see you on the next video.